An unknown error occurred is a phrase that often evokes a sense of frustration and confusion. It typically surfaces when a system or application encounters an unexpected issue that it cannot identify or categorize. This vague message can appear during software installation, online transactions, or even while browsing the web, leaving users scratching their heads. The ambiguity of the term can be particularly irksome, as it offers no clues for troubleshooting. It suggests that something has gone awry, yet provides no specifics on the nature of the problem. This lack of information can lead to a cascade of questions. Is it a bug in the software, a connectivity issue, or perhaps a problem with user input? The phrase serves as a reminder of the complexities of the technology, where even the most reliable systems can falter without warning, leaving users to navigate the murky waters of potential fixes and solutions. Stay up to date with Famety on social media. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.